Welcome to Peaches and Cream, y'all. Today we're going to make this lovely summery quinoa salad. This is one of my family's all-time favorites and it's really easy to make. So let's start out by adding to a saucepan 1 cup, that's 170 grams of tricolor quinoa, and 2 cups, that's 500 milliliters of tap water. We're going to cook this on medium heat until it reaches a simmer. When it reaches a simmer, cover it with a lid and reduce the heat and cook for another 15 minutes. Now we're going to work on the dressing. This dressing is really simple. All you need is a 1/4 cup, that's 40 grams of olive oil, the juice of 2 to 3 large lemons. It's important to squeeze your lemons freshly though, because the flavor is going to be so much better. You'll also need 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 cloves of freshly grated garlic. I like to add some pepper as well. I actually go higher on the pepper because a lot of my family members like pepper, but just do it to the point where you like it. And then mix this together, and that's it. After about 15 minutes, your quinoa should be completely cooked through. There should be no water left in the bottom of the pan when you tip it, and you should be able to fluff it with a fork and it be this lovely, not dry consistency. It should still have a certain amount of moisture to it, but it should definitely be fluffy and no longer sticky. Alright, so then we're just going to add the dressing straight to it while it's nice and hot. It'll absorb it and it will just really infuse it with that amazing flavor. By the way, I am actually doing a double recipe here because it's for my entire family, but I'm giving you the standard recipe, which is a lot smaller of an amount, but feel free to double, triple, whatever you want with this recipe. When the quinoa has cooled completely, put it into a bowl and then add your choice of fresh vegetables. I'm adding green bell peppers, which I'm dicing finely, and I'm also going to add grape tomatoes, which I'm going to cut in half, also some cilantro, some green onions, feta cheese, Kalamata olives, which are a pickled olive. You can add whatever you want, whatever you think will complement the other flavors. Exact amounts here don't really matter, just do whatever amount looks pretty to you, tastes good. I change it up really every time I make it. I basically like to have that dressing base and the quinoa, and then I just go whatever I like with the vegetables that I add into it. Today I'm using tomato basil feta for the salad, and these are of course the Kalamata olives. You can use black olives instead if you don't prefer the flavor of the pickled olives. Then just mix this together. It has beautiful bright colors. As I said, it's really summery. This is delicious. It goes really well paired with grilled chicken. I actually made a lemon grilled chicken, which was phenomenal. You know what will go really well with this is the pita bread that I have a recipe video for on my channel. I'll actually leave the link to that in the description box in case y'all want to check that out. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching.